it's Molly, and I'm hanging out at moodfabrics.com, working with product number 324816, Mood's exclusive white and black sewing Knick Knacks stretch carbon brush twill. This product is a super soft hand, although it is crisp and cool. There's no stretch in the warp, but it does have decent stretch along the weft, and it is just slightly translucent. This product has a thin, slightly stiff drape, similar to a sateen, and I love this fabric. It's adorable, and I would love to fashion this into a wrap dress with flutter sleeves, belted with a bright gold belt, and paired with golden heels.